Namaste kids, welcome to Kaun Banega Gyani Bachcha. Yay! The most fun quiz show for smart and curious kids like you. Are you ready to test your brain and have lots of fun? Great! Let's begin our quiz journey to become the Gyani Bachcha of the day. Let's play! Here comes round 1. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Each correct answer will make you a super smart star. How many colors are there in a rainbow? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. And the correct answer is 7. There are 7 colors in a rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? A. Apple, B. Orange, C. Banana, D. Mango. Yes, the correct answer is mango, the delicious king of fruits. If you got it right, say yay mango. How many days are there in 1 week? A. 5, B. 7, C. 6, D. 8. Yes, 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What do we call the baby of a dog? A. Puppy, B. Kitten, C. Fowl, D. Lamb. Correct! It's a puppy! So cute! What do we drink that comes from cows? A. Water, B. Milk, C. Juice, D. Tea. Right answer! Milk! It makes our bones strong and helps us grow tall. Wow, you kids are amazing! If you got 5 out of 5, give yourself a super high five. Now get ready because the next round is a little tougher. Let's move to round 2. Think and win. Welcome to round 2. Think and win. Now it's time for some smart and tricky questions. Are you ready, superstars? Let's begin! What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai, B. New Delhi, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai. Correct answer, New Delhi. That's where the President's house, Rashtrapati Bhavan, is. What do we call the house made of ice? A. Tent, B. Hut, C. Igloo, D. Cave. Yes! It's an igloo! Eskimos or Inuit people make igloos in snowy areas to stay warm. How many days are there in a leap year? A. 365, B. 366, C. 364, D. 367. Correct! 366 days. Every 4 years, February gets 1 extra day, 29 days instead of 28. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Jupiter, B. Mars, C. Earth, D. Saturn. It's Jupiter, the biggest planet, so big 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Earth, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Yes, it's Mars, the planet that looks red because of iron dust on its surface. Wow, you all are rocking this quiz. If you got 3 or more right, you're a mini genius.
Now tighten your seatbelts because the next round is the Super Brain Challenge.
These are brain-twisting questions for our superstars. Think carefully before you lock your answer.
Which is the coldest continent in the world? A. Asia, B. Antarctica, C. Europe, D. Africa.
And the correct answer is Antarctica, the coldest, windiest, and iciest place on Earth. How many states are there in India? A. 27, B. 28, C. 29, D. 30. And the answer is 28 states! Yes! India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Which planet has the largest number of moons? A. Saturn, B. Jupiter, C. Neptune, D. Mars. Right answer, Saturn. It has more than 140 moons. Imagine how long a night would be there. Who wrote Vande Mataram? A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct! It's Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. He wrote it as a poem in the 1870s and it became our national song. Which is the fastest land animal in the world? A. Lion, B. Tiger, C. Cheetah, D. Horse.
And the correct answer is cheetah. The cheetah can run up to 120 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a car on a city road.
Wow! You've completed the Super Brain Challenge. If you answered all 5 questions correctly, you are today's Gyani Bachcha champion.
Don't forget to comment your score and which question you liked the most.
Kids, always remember, learning never stops. This is your host signing off from Kaun Banega Gyani Bachcha.